Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a search filter and transfer market. Let's tap transfer market. So there are some player that you need in for your team. Some expensive, some cheap. Uh, this is my player. So for effectively search the player that you need, just tap search. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. The filter, mostly people or you maybe or new player searching the player from this option. Position, maybe I want to search the central defensive midfielder. Just tap search like this, and maybe there's some use this from this can descending, who's cheaper and who is the expensive. That I want to show you is this one. Tap this filter, right? Reset first. This one, program. Tap the program. As you can see, there are a lot of program here. So the player, this filter is based on the event or the program that FIFA already launched before, like team of the season, and of course this one, future stars. So it make you easier that affected your player chemistry. So for example, if your player mostly from dots, dots, or the founder like me, so search the player, use this program. So your chemistry is very, I mean, you can make a good chemistry by search player by program filter. Like this, tap the folder, save and search. As you can see, this is all the founders player. Make your team chemistry upgrade to the next level. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click that button below. Enjoy the game.